pin, key differently both sides. That key doesn't fit there, see? That one fits there. Won't fit that one. The other one fits there. Right, so what I'm going to try and do now is pick it two different ways and try and give you a little bit of an explanation of what I'm doing. So, get me dedicated pick out first. I've had this a long time and it does come in handy, but I can't pick most some locks with this. Most of them will go with the dedicated tool, but the other way I'll show you now. Right, so insert the tool, apply a slight bit of tension, draw it back through the lock now. Just gently touch the pins. And there we go. The lock is open. Now that's quite quick and quite easy if you can open the lock that way. Okay, so that was with that one. Right, second way now I'll show you. Pick the other side. Different key in. There's the key in for this one. I'm going to try and single pin pick it using one of my new picks, custom built for me. I believe these are the only ones that he's made, so UK bump keys exclusive. Right, start by inserting the tension wrench in and using the edge of the pick here, run it along the guide of the key and then just gently have a feel through the pins. See what's happening. You get a little bit of feedback through the wrench. Should have missed one here. Go back. Okay, start again. Same again, just insert the pick. Gently touch the pins. You see the plug slightly turn. Right, so it's plug slightly turned. It's taking a bit long, but there we go. Took a bit long, fellas, but there we go. That's the pick I've used. It's no different really to the dedicated dimple pick set, but these are mine. They're custom built and they're special. Okay, thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope that's given you a little bit of insight into it. Okay, cheers, keep munching out for now.